Let's quickly check out how to use green screen on Premiere Pro. So for that, I've already imported a video file in Premiere Pro. Let's play it and have a look. So first of all, what I do is I'll just move this track video footage to another track and add a background image. So I've also already imported a background image here. So I'll just align with the video length, and now what you have to do is you have to select the video layer with the green screen, and then go to the effect panel. If you didn't see the effect panel, you can always go to the window and look for the effect panel here. So that's the effect panel, or you can also do with the shortcut Shift 7. So since I already have it here, so I'll just search for Ultra key. So once you find the Ultra key, just having selected the video layer with the green screen, just click on Ultra key. Then you'll see the Ultra key on your effect control. So and go to your selection and you go to your effect control panel, and then on the color key just take eyedropper and drop it somewhere on the screen. So that's it, it has applied the color key. So once you play the video, your green screen has disappeared, and you can make more fine adjustment with the matte generation. There are options like transparency, highlights, shadow and tolerance, and pedestal. You also have the matte cleanup and spill suppression and color correction to refine your green result furthermore. Well done. Thank you for watching.